In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit permission sets in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your HubSpot account and click on the settings or gear icon that you can see on the upper right corner. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see right here this. Make sure to click on users and teams and you should be able to see all of the people that you have on your team. Now, in order to head over and then create a permission set, you can head over and do so by going over to the permission set tabs. So we have in here some presets. So you can head over and edit it right here. Now click on this create preset, just right here the setup for them, as well as the default dashboard, the language, and date and time format, email signature, and notifications for that. You can also name right here the preset for a user or team. Choose right here their name and which preset this will apply to. Now onto this case, we can also head over and then change it according to our liking. You can just choose a specific user and click on this edit permission, and you can choose right here the permission that they will have right there, as well as the seat that they will also have. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.